New at 5, speaking up in hopes of saving lives. Last year, a Richmond mother lost her daughter to a battle with addiction, and now she's bravely sharing her story with our Brendan King. He also tells us how lawmakers on both sides of the aisle are coming together to help those who are struggling with addiction in the midst of this pandemic.
I don't want other people to go through that.
Carrie Colvin knows heartbreak firsthand.
When I found her, I could tell from the way she was positioned, she did not even know she died. It was so quick.
January 2020, this Richmond mother found her daughter Summer dead from a drug overdose.
She had a sparkle, and I watched that sparkle dim the last year of her life.
In 2016, Summer broke her neck in a car accident, and when her prescription of oxycodone ran out, she turned to heroin.
She knew what she was doing to us, but addiction doesn't care.
No question, America's other public health crisis, the drug crisis, has only gotten worse during this pandemic.
We have seen a significant rise in overdose deaths.
Congresswoman Abigail Spanberger led a bipartisan effort to help fix this crisis, writing a letter to U.S. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen, urging her to allow localities to use American Rescue Plan funds in the fight against addiction.
I am pleased to say that, in fact, when the rulemaking came out, there is significant flexibility. So I'm quite excited that there is space for our communities to really be able to make investments in prevention, treatment, and recovery.
She was a firecracker. She was very vivacious. She loved to dance. She loved to sing. She loved music.
Even if Summer survived her January overdose, her mother believes because of isolation, she wouldn't survive the pandemic.
And I know what she would want to say is, please get help.
If you or someone you know needs help with a drug addiction, you're urged to call the National Substance Abuse Hotline. That number, 1-800-662-4357.